how's everybody's Tuesday going today? Let me know in the comments if you want to. I hope everybody's having a great Tuesday.
So if you guys see a camera full of shirts real quick, don't mind me. I'm just don't want to use my gloves because I hold the gas pump with my gloves. I, you know, touch door handles with my gloves. Come on, dude. That's mad annoying. I think we should be good until we get to the store. So then when I end the vlog, I'll just fix it. If I have to take my helmet off, I have to take my helmet off. But I think I got it. I think I took care of it. That was annoying though. minutes, right? Or is that 6 minutes? I don't know. I'm about to find out. Tuesday afternoon that you guys will see this ride on. So, well, the light just turned red again. All right, so I guess we got enough time to figure out if it's 10 minutes or 9 minutes or 6 minutes. Why are you guys pulling up? Where's my thread? And of course, if I just stop and wait, this guy behind me is going to obviously honk. Oh, we got a little copper. Somebody's in trouble. Got a little copper. Stop pulling up, everyone. Alright, we're going on 7 minutes. For sure, thank you. Alright, we're going to do a little exploring before I go to the store. Do a little detour before we go to the store. We got a bike up there that's on sale. What is it? Is it a Honda? I don't know what it is. Oh great, it's just another cop. What's going on here? I hear sirens. You really gonna mess up the light again, bro? Of course you is. It's turning red. Come on. Yup, the lights are on. Don't go, guys. Don't go. Don't go. Be smart. You see a white light up there for a reason. It's an ambulance, probably. Nope, it's another cop. Come on, what's going on today? What's going on? Is that really necessary? I mean, we live in a small town. It's Huntley. Like nothing goes wrong in this town. Like this is legit like the safest town out of all towns in the city, Chicago. I'm telling you. I don't know what these cops could possibly be having their sirens on for. Maybe somebody crashed or something. I don't know. Yeah, what's that bike right there? It says for sale. What is it? It's a Honda? It looks like a Honda. Now that I look at it, it looks like a Honda. Golly, are we going to reach 10 minutes before the light turns green? We're on 8 minutes. And like 23 seconds. That's a nice bike. That's a nice bike. Nice Hardy. I had to get the coppers on camera. I don't know what's going on, but I don't know what they're doing. Come on, go. I'm not waiting for another red light, bro. Pick up the speed, please. I was about to say, there's no way I'm waiting for a third red light. Or was it fourth? I don't know. Like that. Alright, well, I'm assuming we're going on 10 minutes. I don't know. I'm just going to take a little detour real quick and come back around here and end the vlog right here. But not right here. We're going to ride a little. We're going to take a little detour in this neighborhood right here. That's what we're doing, guys. We're going to take a little quick detour of this neighborhood. This guy is turning right. Girl, guy, I don't know which one, girl. This guy's turning right, or, yeah. Go ahead, man. I'm patient, I can wait. take a little detour down here real quick. Take a little detour down here. Just go on a little detour real quick. Warning, all unauthorized vehicles will be towed by Pete's, whatever it is. I never come in this little apartment complex right here, so we're just gonna do a little U-E. Used to have some old high school friends that used to live in here like 15 years ago. A long time, but I remember this place. Watch out, buddies. Yeah, watch out for me, man. Oh. Why is this dude following me? Now let's go right. I know exactly where we're going. Like I said, I'm taking us on the detour. And then I'll wrap the Tuesday afternoon's ride up and start on Tuesday evenings. Start on Tuesday afternoon or Tuesday evening's ride, because right now it's Tuesday afternoon that you'll see this ride on. So yeah, after this we'll start Tuesday evenings and then we'll be chilling. Right here and start on our evening ride, but let me see what the video said. We are at, is that 12 minutes or 15 minutes? Either or, it's good. I believe it's 12 minutes. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this afternoon ride, and I'll see you guys this evening. Peace.